starting this?
Yeah, if you want to ratchet it back and do that, it's up to you.
No, this is good.
Use that little tip with people just to see how it goes. Right even on the skin is.
That's where I should be sitting.
Those are all seats. And it will be packed jam full.
Oh my goodness.
The grandstand will be chum-packed full. The campground will be chum-packed full.
Are you going to be back tomorrow?
No. We're running NASA up here tomorrow, and they're races. I used to instruct with NASA.
No, just to watch.
Oh, heavens no. Kelsey, listen to me. Listen. I want to be clear on this. If I come to a track, I don't want to sit and watch somebody else have fun.
No, that's so valid.
That's torturous. If I come to a track,
you want to do your favorite thing.
I'm going to be on the track.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So,
it's a no for me, firmly.
I've only been to one NASCAR track race in my entire life. Everybody thinks I go to NASCAR, I've been to one in my entire life.
We need to clear up the rumors. We do not attend.
No. No. And not all track guys feel that way. They go to races. I don't.
Hey, we all have preferences. I like that you stand firm on yours. This was so good.
Alright, so there's a... Yeah, you can slip that off.
Ugh.
Sit in the air conditioning for just a minute.
Oh.
There's a couple of my favorite moments so far this day.
Yeah.
And I gotta tell you, one of them is you coming back and saying, you've already been on Amazon buying a helmet.
Hey, I want to be part of the crew. First, you have to dress the part.
Oh man, that's awesome. That's super awesome. Any questions about that session versus the first session versus?
Oh my goodness, I'm not well equipped enough to ask you any questions other than silly, fun ones about what's your favorite course in the whole United States.
Oh, I'm going to pull this communicator here. My favorite course in the entire United States is Daytona International Speedway.
Okay, I feel like that's a very famous one.
It's a super famous one. They do the Rolex 24 race there.
That's.
Have you been to it?
No. I was being facetious when I said I feel like it's a famous one.
Oh, okay, all right. It is designed for high horsepower cars.
Yeah.
And the fastest I've ever piloted an automobile is at that track. I'm routinely at 180 miles an hour across the start-finish line. And 182.2 is the fastest I've ever gone. Why didn't I go 182.3?
You better tell me.
Because I had to make it into the infield. All right?
Okay, that's fair.
Remember what I don't know if you were around when I was telling your husband, every corner out here has a maximum to which I can hold that corner, the maximum speed. And the corner is totally unimpressed with how fast you're going on the straightaway. On that back straight, we had, I think, 150. We have to get down to 50. That's 100 miles an hour we have to scrub off. If we were doing 100, we'd only have to scrub off 50. If we were doing 200, we'd have to scrub off 150. The corner doesn't care.
Yeah.
It's not going to go, oh man, you are so awesome. You did 100.
You need to make that into a slogan. The corner doesn't care. Put it on a t-shirt, okay?
Yeah, there you go. Doesn't care. So, at Daytona, the reason I didn't go 182.3 is because I had to be on the brakes to get on the infield.
Yeah.
Plus, at those speeds, everything impacts.
Everything matters.
You're pushing a wall of wind. And a little breeze breeze, that's a headwind,
you're a centimeter away from like destruction of like either like having a great day or a very bad day.
Yes, that's true too. So anyway, all right, let's. Maybe your husband wants to know probably what you felt.
Oh, he doesn't even care. He's